Alright. Got a few tail feathers, but that's about it.
And we're going to cut them off.
Yeah. Alright. That did good that time. Got a few right there. But not much. It's pretty clean. Alright. Ripped her skin a little bit there. But, alright. Okay. Back to the table. Okay. I can't see if you can see. There may be so much of a glare you can't see. Okay. How about there? Maybe. Whoop. Maybe that'll work. Okay. See if we can get these legs off of here. All right. She ain't got much in her crawl. Hopefully it ain't another busted crawl in there because I don't see the crawl. Alright, here it is. Boy, he nicked her close when he cut her head off. Oh. I think he needs some lessons on how to cut the head off. You almost got that crawl too short.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's empty. It's already empty.
You want to clenched on me when I come down, I guess.
Because, yeah, food is not withheld from them. Which it's better to withhold food, but I didn't have nowhere to put them to do that, so. Alright. Now, I'm doing this one my way, which all of these will probably be done my way. I'm not good at the other way. I prefer to just cut them up as I'm going. Alright, you're not cooperating. There. I don't know why I bother doing that to them. You only do that if you're frying them, but it's a feather. Alright. Get these legs off.
Down there and we'll run this down right back.
Huh? Oh. A wasp or something flying around my head. these in the cooler. And we're already starting on this. Didn't take very long. I should have timed it to see how long it takes to clean one of these. Of course, it takes a little longer when you're trying to video and instruct other people, because you're taking time out to tell them how to do it. Alright, go up inside that cavity and make sure everything's loose. And I know what I didn't do yet. I didn't cut the rest of these wings back here. Where are you at? There's the feather. Whoop. Okay. Alright. Now we got that. Just go up inside here with your thumb or whatever. Right where these two ribs come together, rib cage. Put that knife right there in them and go right up through them. And do the same over here. Make sure everything's pulled loose. Right there where that rib cage meets up with the breast. There we go. One last bone down there. And then all we have to just separate them. The breast from the back. And there's our breast. Put that in the cooler. Now, we just got this. And it's easy to get this out of the back. And it's real easy if you're not keeping a lot of wasted parts that most people don't eat. Now, I may save a bunch of this fat just to render out because, oh gosh, it is so yummy to fry with. If you've never had fried potatoes that way, you are missing out. It's almost buttery. Just go right along this hip bone here, so that way you're not nicking any of the intestines. Okay? Same thing on the other side. Flies are starting to come out. Okay. Come on. Get this raw fat pulled loose from the side. And we're going to go right along this, right along the edge of this hip bone here. Right down the edge of it. And out. Come out and up right at the edge of the hip bone. And you got it. Now all you got to do is take all these insides out. See that? Lungs and all come out. Real easy. No reaching up in there and fighting with them and tearing them apart and coming out with yucky hands. Well, you come out with yucky hands anyway, but at least it ain't got lungs all over them. Whew. There's a few eggs in here too. Actually, she had a few more to go.
Well, unless we got another pit back here.
Oh, I'm sure there is. Oh, there's an egg there forming big time.
I bet you we got some more pits.
There's tomorrow's egg.
Yep. I bet you we had some more pits back here.
Ah.
I ain't caught yet.
that can fly. All right. Get this all out down to here.
One thing about it, nobody can say we didn't feed them. Their dad weren't fat enough.
That was not necessary to say.
I'm joking. I'm joking.
Take the tail and all with it. You don't have to fight with it. Okay. There's a blood clot there. Alright. We're gonna see if we can get this liver off of here. I can see where the gallbladder is. Oh. Right there it is. I knew you were over here hiding somewhere. Alright. I'm not going to take the gizzard because these are older chickens. I just want to show you on the other one how to clean a gizzard. But these are older chickens. And that gizzard's going to be so tough you won't be able to eat it. Unless you want to save it for fishing. Personally, I like it better for catfish bait than liver because it doesn't fall apart like the liver does. Alright, this is a big old honking piece of fat. Look at that. My goodness. It's a wonder they were able to lay all that fat. All right. I'm surprised the gizzard could even work. That much fat. That's just one honking piece of fat on that chicken. But that will render out excellent. Now, just so you can see, I don't know, YouTube may not appreciate this. This right here was tomorrow's egg. It's a soft-shelled egg. There you go, Dad. Okay. And that is it for today. I mean, for videoing anyway. I think you got the gist of how we butcher chickens. Oh. Alright. Get that in there. Ooh. Hot soapy water. And I know most people probably don't clean it down as much as I do, but I prefer to clean it after each one or two, depending on how many I'm doing at a time. Alright, let me rinse this off real quick. Get the soap off of it. Alright, here we go. Wash my hands off real quick. Okay. Are we still videoing? Yes. All right, it didn't shut down this time. Whoop. I'm going to try to take y'all over here. If I can fit through here. Oh. There. Can see Mr. Duncan's feet. Okay.
I'm camera shy usually.
Ah. Oh no, the snake's crawling over there.
Not moving too
You're
often.
getting it. Okay. That is the gist of it, everybody. Hopefully the video took this time. And, oh, first time it didn't record. Well, it started recording, then it kicked off for some reason. Probably somebody trying to call or send me a message. But I think we got through it this time. So I'm going to try to upload and video or edit that tonight and get it uploaded hopefully by tomorrow sometime on YouTube. So thank you for coming along, and I'm telling you right now, if you get the opportunity to buy a chicken plucker, oh heavens, it saves on the hands tremendously. And it saves on time. That was quick and easy. For me, all that plucking is the hard part. It's hard to get all that out of there. And my hands with the arthritis and everything, it kills my hands. I'm lucky if I can get 2 or 3 done a day by hand. So I'm glad we got the plucker. Well worth its money. So at any rate, I'm gonna let y'all go. God bless and have a good day, y'all.
Have a nice